For creating a block, first we need to create an object to convert a block. Let me draw something. I'm taking a circle to create a nut. I'm creating a diameter of 20s and will just zoom out and take another circle of same center from radius 10, and now we'll take a polygon option. From here we'll take polygon. Now we'll give number of sides 6, enter, and we have to specify the center point of circle, and we have to choose inscribed option or circumscribed option. I'm taking circumscribed option. Now we have to specify the radius of circle, so we'll take radius 20. So we have just created a nut. Now this nut is a single entity. The lines and circles are single entity. We have to convert this object as a single unit. Then we'll go to option here, create block, or we can take this option from insert and we'll create from create block, or we can use a shortcut B, enter. Now here we have to define a name of block, like we giving name nut. Now you have to take a pick point from where you want to pick this object to place. We'll pick a pick point. Now we'll select object, click on select object, enter. Now we having a 3 option here: retain, convert to block, and retain. Retain means the object remain on screen as same that earlier if we take this option. If we take option to convert to block, the object on screen will convert to block. If we take option of delete, the object will be disappear from the screen. We'll take convert to block, or we can keep it retain. I'm taking option retain. Okay, this object is remain same, but it has been converted into block. The file has been saved. Now, how to insert a block? There are 2 ways. Either we can use a shortcut, or we can take from here, insert block. We'll click on this option, we get a nut here. We'll insert from here, or either we'll press a shortcut I, enter, and here you having a list of block that you have created, and you will select that block and OK, and you can insert into file. Let's see, create one more block. Let's see other options. Now I'm creating a simple object. Just taking one rectangle and one circle. I want to create this both as a one block. This I'm taking a shortcut V, enter. I will taking another method now. I will take on this option, specify on screen, and specify on screen. Now I'm giving a name. I'm giving a name X. Now click OK. Now it's asking in a command window to specify insert point. I'm specifying insert point. Now it's asking for a select object. You can select object. Now the file has been converted into a block. Now you can insert in the same way. Either you can press I, or you can go to option insert and you can take from here. The X block has been inserted. So this is how we can create number of blocks, and we can create block and insert n number of times to improve our file. So we have seen how to create a block.